and welcome back to my channel. So I am so excited for today's video because I am doing a Dollar Tree haul, but not just any Dollar Tree haul. I am doing something that only comes once a year, and that is a fall decor Dollar Tree haul. I am so excited. I've been waiting for so long for my store to come out with the Dollar Tree items. I've been watching so many Dollar Tree hauls, just waiting patiently for my time to shine, okay? And here it is. It's here right now. Here we are. I'm so excited. Are you ready? Let's hop into it. So before we get started, I just want to say that I did get other items other than fall decor, but mostly got fall decor because, yeah, I love fall. So anyways, the first one is in fact a fall decor item, and I've been seeing these a lot lately. Like, I've been seeing them for like years, like for so long. I feel like I always see like other people, like other YouTubers that have them in their house. I'm like, I know where that's from. But this one says, give thanks, happy harvest, gather together, blessings, all are welcome, Thanksgiving. And I really love this. I'm super excited to start decorating for fall, and this is going to be something that is going to be hung up, not sure where, but I know I'm going to find a place for it. So we cannot do fall without an apple cinnamon candle, so that's exactly what I got next. Corey picked this out actually, and I've been looking for candles, like fall candles, at the Dollar Tree, and he picked this one out, and I was like, it smells good. I am so excited to light this, you guys. I am starting to get into the fall spirit. Next up is this glass pumpkin, and this is like a copper color. I loved their pumpkins, and I totally wanted to get more. Probably will go back and get more because they have so many of them and so many colors. They have like burlap, they have white, they have green, they have so many, you guys, and you should just totally go check them out. They're perfect just to like sit them on a table or on a mantle, whatever the case may be. These are just absolutely beautiful. Honestly though, like I feel like some of this stuff like this you could get at Pier 1 and pay like, I don't even know, like $6 for this or something like that. Just something so small that you can get for $1 at the Dollar Tree. It's absolutely amazing. So the next two items are not fall decor, but I mean, yes and no. They're kind of farmhouse type vibe. So these are just little placemats. They say live, love, eat. And the reason why I got these is because, you guys, I am the worst with food. I buy really nice tablecloths and I ruin them because I get my food all over the place and I spill stuff, and it's just the worst. So I figured that if I could just have something to wipe off really quick, you know, just to like wipe it off, and then you're done, you just put it back. It'd be so much easier than having to replace a tablecloth or wash it like every few days or something like that. So I went ahead and picked these up. There was other ones, but I like these the best. Alright, moving on to the next bag. I have seen these for so long, and I had to get one to put on top of my fireplace. This says gather, and I just thought that this was so pretty. I love like just the fact that it just, you know, like this kind of decor. It's just super pretty. It's plaid on the side, and you can't beat it for $1, you guys. You just can't beat it. So the next three items aren't fall decor, but I have been obsessed with cleaning with rags, and I've been using all of my good rags, and now I don't know like what are my good rags, what are my bad rags. And you know, like you don't want to like wash your face with the rags that you're cleaning with. I wanted to like have a separate set, so I bought these two rags. One says soak your troubles away, and one says so fresh, so clean. These are both two. I bought these because they were a little bit bigger, and I like having like a nice size towel for my face. So I got these just for like face towels or whatever the case may be. And then I already have cleaning rags, but you know, you can never have enough. I really don't like to waste and use a lot of napkins. I'd rather just use rags, and you can get a rag for two rags from the Dollar Tree for $1. So you just can't beat it. Okay, so next we have another pumpkin, you guys. I couldn't pass up on the pumpkins, and I'm not even lying, I want to get more. It's not even a joke. It's an addiction. but I thought this pumpkin was really pretty. It's just the classic white. And the good thing about this pumpkin, or the plastic pumpkins in general, you could totally spray paint these to like whatever color you want. They are so customizable. You could probably even paint them. I mean, honestly, I don't see why you couldn't. So they're just super customizable, so easy to decorate with. Oh my gosh, it's just amazing. And here we go, another pumpkin. So this is another plastic one, just like the white one. And I just love these colors. It's just so simple, basic orange. I just think that they're really cute, you guys. I think that they're just really cute to place all over your house, some on the bookshelf, some on the table. They're just really cute little fall accessories. So next I have this guy. I've seen these and I thought that they were so cute. The little wood paneling, you guys. I mean, obviously I don't think it's real wood, but still, it looks really cool. This one says autumn apple cider, hay rides, pumpkins, falling leaves. I just think it's really cute. Okay, and last but not least, another candle. And this one I believe is spruce. Let's see. Yes, glistening spruce. This smells so good. It smells like camping. And one thing that I love about the fall is being able to go camping, because it's finally nice and cool outside. So hopefully that'll be a thing this year. But oh man, it smells so good. If you are ever at Dollar Tree, I highly recommend you pick one of these up. Alright guys, that is it. Just a short little Dollar Tree haul. Let me know if you guys pick any of these up or what your favorite items are. I would totally love to see your comments. Also, you guys, if you have any video recommendations for me, what do you want to see? I would totally love to know. Put that in the comments as well, or you can hit me up on Instagram or Twitter. You can message me on either one of those platforms. All the links for those will be in the description below. Thank you all so much. If you are subscribed, I really appreciate it so much. And if you're not subscribed, I would love to have you to the family. All you gotta do is click that red button down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay beautiful. Mwah. Bye.